everyone, and welcome back to ForB's English lesson video. My name is Richard, and today we're going to take a look at these two expressions, everyday and everyday. Do you know the difference? Alright, let's take a look at these two example sentences. Number 1, I go to a gym every day. Number 2, exercising is a part of my everyday life. Can you guess the difference? In the first sentence, the expression every day is 2 words, and it is used as an adverb. It means each day. In the second sentence, the expression every day is 1 word, and it is used as an adjective. It means usual. Be careful because they are pronounced the same, but written differently. Alright, so let's practice these 2 sentences together. Please repeat after me. I go to a gym every day. Great. Exercising is a part of my everyday life. Great. So now you know the difference between these 2 expressions. My name is Richard. Remember to please click like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.